arrived at Khutze number 9. So everyone is setting up camp. Some of the guys do have trailer tents, other guys rooftop tents. So yeah, this is Khutze number 9. Everybody is ready now. We're quickly going to visit Mareshwe to see if we can find some of the elephants, lions, whatever we can find. So yeah, here we go. We will be back later this afternoon. Yeah, at long last we managed to find the Khutze elephants.
Hallo Swanny.
Middag. Yeah, so far so good. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good
How
morning.
did you sleep last night?
Nee, lekker in yourself.
Very nice, thank you. Had a beautiful night's rest. Beautiful.
Peace. in a serious roadblock here. We've got an elephant in the middle of the road, which is in Musk. So, ja, draai om. Boys, reverse net asseblief 'n bietjie. Hierdie ding gaan dit omgedraai.
Die sak is vas, hy is agter, hy is nie met sy radio nie. Hy was uit die voertuig, wat nou? Hy terugry stoot, hy kom terug. Hy staan rustig en nee daar.
Ja, ry net vir my asseblief 'n bietjie terug. Enige ander volunteer wat vir voorry?
Ek sal.
Okay, kom maar verby.
Weet nie hoe nie. Ek gaan nie links afdraai.
We've got a problem here, a situation where the elephant's in the road. He's in Musk. It's a danger to the vehicles. So one of the brave guys here say he will go in front. I'm usually in front, but yeah, let's see what happens. If you charge him,
Iemand kan kom, kan jy verbykom? Jy wil kan jy terug toe asseblief.
okay, hy loop nou verder, maar hy hou my dop. So one of the guys will come past and he will see if he can approach that elephant. I'm not going to do it. I'm not willing to take the risk because the sand is so thick here, you can't turn around and there's thorns and all sorts of obstacles. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, it's moving now deeper into the bush, but I don't trust it. Unfortunately, I can't show it to you. You will not be able to see it. We can just see him between the bushes. Yeah, so Isak came past. He's behind the elephant, not close, but behind him in the road. So we keep 100 meters or so between the vehicles open in case we need to reverse, because this is terrible country. You can't just make a U-turn here because you're most probably going to sit with a puncher. So let's see. We're going to approach him very slowly. We're close to the water hole. Let me quickly show you the road. This is proper thick sand road between Khutze and Mareshwe waterhole. This is the elephant that gave us quite a scare. Don't know if you can see him on this small camera, but that man means serious business. Oh, that was the elephant bull with a serious attitude problem. Pak jou oos hier.
Beautiful.
Mevrou, where's your chair?
Ask my husband.
I think you better sort him out, huh?
I will sort my own chair out next time.
Yes. Ek weet, ek ken jou.
Dis baie waar.
Sit hierso. What are you doing?
My vrou het die knoppie gedruk vir
Oh,
haar elektriese
is
tent.
that what you doing?
Ja. Sy het die knoppie gedruk, nou gaan haar elektriese tent op. Julle sal sien. Sien as jy agter die crowd ry, moet jy ongelukkig 'n seiltjie opsit wat jy met die hand moet afhaal. Jy weet daai jeeps maak soveel stof. Die sak moet lekker slaap môreoggend as hy wakker word, slaap hy in die rooftop en sy en daai ene boop my bakkie klaar vasgemaak.
Hier staan.
Klaar.
Ja.
Mooi man.
Baie vinnig. There's a few clouds in the sky.
I see so. Ja, hy met tandepasta maak my mond nog droog.
Goeiemôre.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Botswana.
Good morning. Yes, we've been camping in the Khutze for 2 nights. Now we're going to travel slowly via Mareshwe to Mareshwe, way down in the south of Khutze, where we're going to stay another 2 nights. Apparently, according to the information that we've gathered, there's a pride of lions down at Mareshwe. So let's see what happens. Okay, Swanny is op die lug.
Ja, Pilag. Pilag. Hey.
Right, so let's continue with our adventure. Yes, a seat net is also necessary in the Khutze this time of the year because the grass is long in the middle of the road. Let me quickly show it to you. Ja, hierso. Elephant tracks in the road. Ons twee gaan in die movies wees. Ons twee gaan in die movies wees. Ek sit baie lekker hoor. Hello.
Ek word hier net dryf oor 'n jeep.
Ja. Ek wil ook in die movies wees.
Weet jy wat jy rondryf vandag?
Hey, jy kan hierso sit as ek ry.
Ek gaan ook in die movies
Angie,
wees.
jy kan in die spaarwiel kom sit as ek ry. Jy gaan ook in die movies wees.
Nee, ek het so omgeloop toe wys ek shop vir hom.
Hier kom die ou terug geras. Hy gaan seker vir ons sê he managed to found some lions.
Nee, daar was nog 'n puntjie.
Right, we are on our way from Molossi to Mareshwe Pan. The road between Molossi and Mareshwe is actually quite pleasant. It's not so corrugated. I assume not many people travel on this road. So yeah, let's have a look. It's actually quite smooth. We have arrived at Mareshwe camp, and this is what the campsite looks like. With a serious view of the pan to that side. I don't know if you can see it. Mareshwe campsite number 2. It's got a view, a room with a view, but I mean it's very uneven here, so that might be a problem or a challenge for some of the guys. But for us, hey, no hassle. Dewald, is daar iets waarmee ons jou moet help?
Ja, ek is reg.
Is jy reg?
Daar kom net die
Just like man, ek gaan jou afdak waardeer hoor.
Verseker.
Yeah, it's a bit hot here, man.
It's extremely
It's extremely hot.
close to the equator. Real African sun.
Yep. This is the water hole there by Mareshwe. We're camping at Mareshwe camping spot number 2. Yeah, and this is the water hole. And I'm 100% sure there's going to be a lot of game around. I see springbok on the horizon. Giraffe, but there's nothing left. It's only skin and bone. This is basically the most southern part of the Khutze that you can drive. There's no other roads. So you come down to Mareshwe camp or Pan, and then there's a couple of small routes here. Well, this is the most southern little tourist, well, what dirt road, if not even a dirt road, just poor pikey, man. But in any case, let me show you what the veld looks like here. As you can see, grass nets is important. The grass is long, so yeah, luckily we do have seed nets on our vehicles. Much of a road. The road basically disappeared into the grass because there's seldom people that travel on these roads. So I think we're the first party, maybe 5 years, that travel on this road.
Ek kan my siek eet ook nog.
Wonderful.
Dankie Sonny, dit was voor lekker.
Wat 'n plesier. Wat noem jy dit nou weer? Vlooimark. Ek voel of ek by 'n vlooimark eet met al hierdie tafels.
Al die tafels met die kos.
Ja.
Kostalletjies.
Making coffee early in the morning at a water hole. I can't speak too loud. Ons ry al die diere weg.
Alles op. Good morning.
Have you seen the bunch of kudus behind you?
Beautiful. You having some coffee and rusks?
Good morning, my lady.
Good morning.
By Shell is alles wel.
Yeah, boys. Angie, gaan jy in die huisgenoot sit? Do you believe for me? I'm gonna put you in the huisgenoot, man. So, dit is ook 'n roemer vanoggend. Wat baie lank. Mareshwe pen. Sunrise, huh? How do you like that? No animal in sight. Not much to see. I see there's elephant in the vicinity. Kudu, springbok, blue, wildebeest. And that's about everything. Oh, well, yeah, there's giraffe as well.
Got a very nice video of you.
Of me?
Yes,
Yeah,
with the elephant crossing behind you.
Yeah, so you recognize me as the elephant whisperer.
Absolutely.
Okay. Don't be afraid. Well, a long weekend comes to an end. We were supposed to sleep our last night at Mareshwe, Pan, down way in the south of Khutze. But yeah, we've decided we're gonna rather go back to Khutze campsites to be closer to the gate so that we can leave early tomorrow morning because we've got a long drive. So now we trek as fast as we can to get in time to Khutze before it's dark, and this is how it goes. Fast, thick sand driving. Yeah, well, it's fun. Here we go. Oi.
Hier word kos gemaak.
not much.
Not too much.
Dis 'n lig in die toilet.
Ek het.
O,
Kom maar jy ook kom.
nee.
Ja, okay. Good evening, sir.
Ja,
I'm just preparing my meat and getting my food ready for dinner. There's my wors, my ribeye steak, marinated with olive oil and very nice spices. So we are ready now to braai. We're just waiting for the coals.
let's see.
Here's Savannah.
Een rol gee jy gou.
Chilean.
Wat?
Chilean.
Wat 'n chili in. Sien hoe ergens dan jy gaan my brand.
Huh?
Ek gaan my so brand vir.
Sorry. Ek net 'n Chilean. Kom ek laat jou proe.
Okay, dat maak hom proe. Maak hom proe raak. Wa. Jy gaan proe. Ja, is reg.
Hy's lekker, né? Baie
Dan kom maar kry.
Ekskuus asseblief. Ek
Ah.
offer hom dan vir jou.
Thank you very much, man. Dis soete gaaf. Gawie.
Ja, meneer.
Kyk hierdie moerse mot. Hierdie mot gaan in my chom se brannas inklip. We are packing up. It's our last morning. We're going home now. 5 o'clock up at the Khutze camp. Now we're gonna rush for the gate, take a shower at the gate, and from there we're gonna proceed home. Kom julle reg?
Ag, as jy net vir jou agter. Ja, lekker so.
Kom julle oudjies reg?
Finish and klaar.
Net hak. Mooi man, you fast today, eh? You guys are very fast today.
Absolutely. Alonso, not Schumacher. Good morning, good morning. Goeiemôre Dumela Sabona.
Sabona Baba, Alonso. It's time to go home, but yes, I've done that now off the bucket list.